So this is a steam juicer. It contains three parts. There is like a water part down here. Then there is a part which collects the fruit juices, and this is a part where the fruit is actually steamed. So if we look into it, you see it has a glass lid. I'm going to put it way over there so we can see it a bit better. And there is like a steam pan. It has holes in it so the steam can go through and heats up the fruit and makes the fruit weak, and then the juice drops through this part and is collected in this part. See, this is where the juice is caught. And then you see this little thing here, which is like a tube. And what we can do with the tube, hang on a minute, is that we can close it. So the juice stays in the pot. There is a little hole there that you can see. Can you see it? It's there. Oh, where is it? Here, there. See, there's a small little hole. Yeah, you can see it better now. And the juice can go out of the hole into the tube, and you can fill bottles through the tube. And here is like a pin which can close and open the tube. So if you start filling bottles, then you just open this thing and the juice comes through into the bottle. Of course, this has to be lower than the pot, otherwise it doesn't run through. And this one you can open and you can close as you wish. And underneath it all, there is this water container. So this is where you put the hot water in, and you bring it to a boil. I usually put it on the fire and then put the lid on and have it come to a boil. So there is steam, evaporation, and then I put this one on, and then I put this one on, and then I fill this up with fruit. And it can contain up to, well, what is it, 10 liters of fruit. So it's quite a lot you can do in one go. And well, if it's soft fruit like plums, it brings about, I would say, 2.5 liters or something. For apples and pears, it's a bit less. So I prefer to do the soft fruits in this fruit juicer. So yeah, I mean, that's it. Very easy to use. I'm very happy with it. I use it every year for a lot of fruit.